Good morning students. In today's chess video, I am going to share with you a fantastic chess opening tricks to trap your opponent and ultimately win the game. This secret tricks, popularly called as poison pawn trap, which is used against Sicilian defense played by black. I'll showing you the exact step for this trap. Okay, let's start the opening move. You play as white and start the king's pawn opening e4. Your opponent played c5. This is the Sicilian defense, and then d4, then d6. You can play d5. Now if look at the open diagonal, and the obvious strategy for the black would be to attack on queen side. Therefore the most natural move you will see from black would be to bring out his queen and give check. Okay, you will respond by blocking with your bishop, and then the queen can go to b6 and attacking the pawn on b2. You don't have to save your pawn, instead you have to sacrifice it. You will play knight to c3, and in this position if you take the pawn on b2, then rook to b1, forcing the queen go to the a3, which is the only safe square left. Okay, then we will play knight to b5, not only attacking the queen and also threatening to fork the king and rook on c7. Black has to save his queen, so he has no other option. The queen can't go to king side because there are no safe square. He can't go to b4 or a5 because of this bishop. He can't go to a6 because of the knight c7 fork is coming and queen is gone. So black has basically only two options: either he snatches the pawn on a2 or move the queen to a4. Okay, if he capture the pawn on a2, then after rook a1, black has to no option except going to b2. Then bishop to c3, the queen is trapped, so taking the pawn on a2, it's not a good idea. So he can back to a4, and after this you can play a killer move, knight capture on d6 with check. Now black is in a very problem. If he capture with his pawn, then you can easily fork the queen and king by playing bishop to b5. The queen is gone, so black can't take your knight with his pawn. So he can go to king d7 for the same problem. So the only move he can go to king d8, and again you have to the beautiful move is knight capture on f7, the forking and king and queen, sorry, king and rook, and from there black has only one logical reply. It's king to c7, and after this you can play bishop to f4 check. Now the king can't go to b6 because of this rook. He can't go to c6 because of this pawn. So only the logical option left for black is block the check with his pawn. And but it also not a good move, because the pawn will be captured by passing, and it's again check to black. Now okay, if you play bishop to d6, then queen capture d6, it's a checkmate. Okay, if we goes the king to c6, then knight d8, it's a checkmate. So I hope you enjoyed the chess video. If you have any queries, any question, please put it on the comment box. Thanks for the day. Bye students. Take care.